In this class, we would focus on the important difference between two terms, purines and pyrimidines. Very, very important for your biology questions. Now, purines are nitrogenous based, which are double ring structured. So, as you can see, A and G, adenine and guanine are the purines. Now, these purines are important because this is a 6+5 ring, and this is a heterocyclic aromatic compound. Now, what is important is a pyrimidine ring is fused into a imidazole ring, and this is what gives you purine. So purines are A and G. You can remember it as pure as gold. So P for purine, Pu pure, Pu for purine, A for adenine, and G for guanine. Now the next one is pyrimidine. Both of these are bases for DNA and RNA. Now what is important to understand is the uracil base is only for RNA, and you have the thiamine base for DNA. Now what is the real thing that you need to understand for pyrimidine? Pyrimidine has just a single ring structure. It is not 6+5 as in the case of purine, and this is again a heterocyclic aromatic ring which is formed with nitrogen at first and third positions, which is very, very clearly seen in all the cases, right? So at first and third position you have nitrogen, and to remember this, you can have a mnemonic. Cut up things are pyramids. So C for cytosine, T for thiamine, U for uracil, and PY for pyrimidine. So it's important whenever you are picking the mnemonics, you choose pure here, that is Pu, and pyramids there, that is PY. Otherwise you would confuse yourself between purine and pyrimidine. So this was about one such concept of purine and pyrimidine. We would be covering another interesting concepts in biology. Stay tuned, and of course these would be highly beneficial for your Olympiad examinations as well. For more practice on Olympiad examinations and practice material with video lectures, follow the link below. Thanks for joining in.